If you want to use a memory card or microSD card with Samsung Galaxy S26, then unfortunately you will not be able to use the SIM tray. Sorry, I almost dropped it. You will not be able to use the SIM tray because there is simply no way to extend the storage with the microSD card and the SIM tray. The microSD card does not fit the SIM tray at all. There is no slot for the microSD card. So what you can do is you can use a memory card reader. And I know it is really inconvenient to use on a daily basis. It is not really designed to use it all the time and walk around with your phone with this accessory connected. But the idea is that you can find a memory card reader with the microSD card slot. In my case, I have 3 slots in total, so it's pretty huge, but you can find smaller ones. You connect the memory card into the memory card reader, and then with the USB-C cable you connect it to your phone and you can access the storage quite easily. But like I said, it is of course inconvenient to use on a daily basis, and you probably want to use it only in a moment when you want to access some files that you have on the memory card, saved on the memory card, or if you want to transfer something from the memory card to the phone, or the other way around. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.